All right, guys, happy Monday, May 11th. Let's go ahead and count that before we get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I hope everybody had an incredible weekend celebrating their mommies for Mother's Day. I certainly did. So for this week, two things. We are going to be focusing on the numbers 19 and 20. And we are also going to be learning what these little things mean. So we have a question mark, a period, and an exclamation point. And depending on which one is at the end of a sentence when you're reading, it'll tell you actually how to say the sentence, and which we will focus on a little bit more this week. Okay, if you hear any noise in the background, I am washing my clothes, so I apologize in advance, but let's get started on what your lesson looks like today. All right, for today, you are gonna put your name at the top of this paper here, and you're gonna count to number 19, which is one of our numbers that we're gonna be focused on today. So let's go ahead and count these cowbells so we can make sure we know how to count up to 19. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So once you go ahead and count that, you are going to number trace the number 19 all the way across. Once you flip your page, you're going to be focusing on letter tracing the letter W and the letter X. And I'm going to show you how to correctly letter trace these letters. When you make the little W, you're going to start right here on the middle dotted line. You're going to come down at an angle. You're going to go back up to the dotted line, come down at an angle again, and go back up to the dotted line. For the capital W, you're going to do the exact same thing, except you're going to start all the way up at the top. So you're going to come down at an angle, you're going to go all the way back up to the top, down at an angle, and then all the way back up to the top. So little w, capital W, little w, capital W. For the letter X, the little x, we're going to start at the bottom. You're going to come down at an angle and come across. And then you're going to come the opposite way and make a line going down. So it looks like an X, like X marks the spot. And you're going to do the exact same thing for the capital X, except the capital X can go upstairs and downstairs. So a line all the way down from an angle, and the exact same thing. So little x, capital X, little x, capital X. So today's assignment was easy enough. I hope you guys have an incredible Monday, and I will see you guys all tomorrow for Reading 101s. Bye.